Today I have a Ford Mustang Mach E, and I'm going to show you how to adjust the steering wheel on this particular Ford Mustang Mach E. I'm going to show you how to raise the steering wheel, how to lower the steering wheel, how to bring the steering wheel closer to your body, how to bring the steering wheel away from your body. So it is in a comfortable position and you can drive safely. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. So I'm sitting behind the steering wheel of my Ford Mach E with the vehicle in park. As you can see on the instrument panel, it says P. That's for park. All right, so I'm pushing P. All right, so I'm on P right there. Now, in order to adjust the steering wheel, make sure the car is parked in park when you're doing this. I do not suggest you doing this while driving because you could put yourself in danger. So I'm behind the steering wheel. In order to adjust the steering wheel, raise it, lower it, bring it closer to me or away from me, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go underneath the steering wheel. And do you see that there is a lever right here? Now this is a clever lever that they have right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to press this lever down, and when I do press it down, it is going to unlock the steering wheel so I can make adjustments. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take it, pressed it down. Do you see what happened right there? It came down, and now the steering wheel is unlocked, and now I can maneuver it so it is in a comfortable position for me to drive with. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to pull it away from me. All right, you see I was able to bring it closer to my body to make it more comfortable, or I can push it away from me. See how it pushed down that way? I can lower it. It's already at the bottom. Now we're here. I can raise it right here. So I raised the steering wheel, or I can lower it because I just raised it. And once I get it in a position that is comfortable for me to drive, comfortable and safe. It's important that I emphasize safe because safety is where it's at, okay? So when I get it into a comfortable, safe position, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back under here, and I am going to take my finger and I am going to, or hand, and go ahead and take this and put it back into place, lock it into place, just like that. And now I'm ready to drive right here comfortably and safely to my destination. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching. Also, with that being said, some vehicles may have a electronic button on the side to where you can adjust the steering wheel height, distance, yada, yada, yada. All right. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.